Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Firebase Auth email verification in mobile apps, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting up a Firebase project in the Firebase console. Navigate to the authentication section of your project. Enable email/password authentication in the Sign In Method tab. Next, integrate the Firebase SDK into your mobile app. For Android, add the necessary Firebase dependencies in your Gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods to add Firebase to your project. After integrating the SDK, initialize Firebase in your application. Create a user registration function. In this function, collect user email and password. Use Firebase Auth to create a new user with the collected email and password. Check for successful account creation. If successful, call the Send Email Verification method on the newly created user. Inform the user to verify their email and log in afterward. Now, implement a login function. In this function, authenticate users with their email and password. After authentication, check if the user is verified. If the user is not verified, display a message prompting them to check their email. For verified users, proceed to the app's main functionality. You may also handle the email verification check on app startup. Check the user's email verification status before allowing access to the main app. Provide a way for users to resend verification emails. Implement this by calling the Send Email Verification method again. Finally, test your implementation thoroughly. Make sure to simulate various scenarios like unverified and verified users. This will ensure a smooth user experience in your mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.